Hi guys, this is Andre, and in today's video we're going to talk about relative motion of two particles. So stay tuned and let's get started. So in this topic, we're going to try to find out the velocity and acceleration of an object with respect to another object. So for example, ara ka sa sulod ng airplane, or pwede man nga ara ka na sa sulod ng helicopter, tapos may naglabay nga airplane. Ano ang speed sang airplane kung i-observe mo halin sa helicopter? Amo na ang ginatry naton kuhaon. We now have two equations for relative velocity and relative acceleration. It is very important to take note what the problem is asking for. If it's asking for velocity of object A with respect to object B, or vice versa. Next important thing to keep in mind is to always break down velocity and acceleration into vector components. Just like what we can see here in our figure, velocity was broken down into Vx and Vy, or the I and j components of a vector. Later, we will plug these values into our equation. Example number 1, we have two boats leave the pier P at the same time and travel in the direction shown. If VA is equals to 40 feet per second and VB is equals to 30 feet per second, determine the velocity of boat A relative to boat B. How long after leaving the pier will the boats be 1,500 feet apart? Let us now try to solve problem number 1. Since we are finding the velocity of boat A relative to boat B, our equation should be VA is equals to VB plus VA over B. Then let's try to find out the vector components of VA and VB, which is shown on the screen. Now, with these vector components, we will substitute them to our original equation. Afterwards, combine like terms and then get the magnitude of VA over B. Since may ara na kita magnitude, pangitaon ta ang iya directions. Since we know that tan is opposite over adjacent or sine over cosine, our equation should be theta is equals to tan inverse 13.43 over 1.213, which is equal to 84.8 degrees. Next, one can obtain the time t required for boats A and B to be 1,500 feet apart by noting that boat B is at rest and boat A travels at a relative speed VA over B 13 for 48 feet per second for a distance of 1,500 feet. Thus, time is equals to 1,500 over VA over B equals 1,500 over 13.48 is equal to 111.26 seconds or 1.85 minutes. And that is our answer. Let us now proceed to example number 2. A man walks at 5 kilometers per hour in the direction of a 20 kilometers per hour wind. If raindrops fall vertically at 7 kilometers per hour in still air, determine the direction in which the drops appear to fall with respect to the man. First, we must find the velocity of the rain. By applying our formula VR equals VW plus VR over W, we get 20I minus 7J kilometers per hour. By having this value, we substitute it to VR equals Vm plus VR over M to get the velocity of the rain with respect to the man. And our answer is 15I minus 7J kilometers per hour. Next, we get the magnitude of the relative velocity. And our answer is 16.6 kilometers per hour. And to find the direction, we must apply theta equals tan inverse 7 over 15 equals 25 degrees. And that is our answer. I really hope this video helps and thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye-bye.